In this video, I'm going to show you how to make videos with your phone. In fact, I'm not only going to show you how to shoot them, I'm shooting this on my phone right now, but I'm going to show you how to edit them on your phone, how to upload them straight from your phone, and how to analyze them over time in an app right on your phone. Basically, I run this whole YouTube channel right on my phone. Let me show you how. So I just pulled the phone out of the tripod that I've got set up right here, and you can see it's just it's got a little attachment at the top where I can slide my phone right in here sideways and then clamp it right back down. And that's what I use to hold my phone when I'm shooting my videos. But now, how do you edit your videos on your phone? I'm going to show you. Let's jump into it. All right, so we're inside my phone now. Don't judge my notifications here, but we're going to open Videoleap. It's my video editing app that I use. I believe I pay a couple dollars a month for this, but at first I started on the free version. So there's a free version. But you can see in here, it's got some really cool features. You can chop up the video, cut it where you want. You can add text. You can, make the text move. You can put shadows behind the text. You can do all sorts of things once you get used to it and get in there. What I'm doing here is I'm adding the opacity to 100 and the softness to 0 for the shadow behind hello, which you can see here. So it's got a little drop shadow to it. You can pick different fonts and animations, colors, effects. So I'm just putting hello down here, and then I could set a timer on it and set it to move during the video. So I pick a start and a finish, and obviously you can do a lot more advanced stuff than this, but I just want to show you some of the basic stuff. But it's a really cool app to edit your videos, and it's really actually very easy to do, as you can see. And like I said, I think I want to say I pay like 10 bucks a month maybe for this. I can't remember exactly how much I pay. But they do have a free version where you could check that out. I'll try to find the link and leave it below if I can find that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to find my logo. There it is. And I'm going to click on it and I'm going to add my logo in, and you can resize it, put it wherever you want to. I'll put it right here on this. And then you could actually like make it zoom in or zoom out however you want. You're just going to add a diamond to it. I don't know the technical term, but you just add one of these little diamonds here. And then I'm going to stretch this logo out real big I'm just using my thumbs to stretch it out real wide until I can't see the letters anymore. And then I'm going to scoot forward in the video a little bit so that I can add another diamond and then shrink it down to the size of the whiteboard behind me. This way, when I start to play the video, it's going to look real big and then get smaller and then end up right there where I place it. Watch this. Check it out. It's really cool. Boom. Super simple. Again, like there's so much more you could do if you're creative. You just got to get in there, play around with it, add clips, delete clips. There's so many different options. They got green screen options. They got everything you can do on the computer pretty much you can think of, you could do inside this video. And then when you're ready to export it, you just export the quality you want and click photos, and it'll drop it right in your photo spot on your phone. All right, now we got to upload the video. You just open your regular YouTube app and you click the little video camera button up top, and then it's going to open up your photo stream. You click the video that you want to add in, and then you type in the title, whatever you want your title to be. You type in a description. You can put your full description, or you can actually edit the description in the next app that I'm going to show you. But you just click upload after you're done with that, and it goes to your channel, and you can see it starts to upload, and then it will process, and then your video will be in your YouTube channel. You can edit it through the YouTube app, or you can even edit it through the YouTube Studio app, which I'm going to show you right now. All right, now let's go to the app where I analyze everything. This one's called YouTube Studio, and this one's free, I believe. And you can look at your videos. You can analyze all your stats, your real-time views, your last few videos that are published, your watch time for 28 days, views, subscribers, your not subscribers, the subscriber views. These are your most popular videos in order. You can look at your comments here. You can reply to your comments. You can like and heart your comments. It's amazing, amazing app. And this is just how I track everything, all the analytics, and I keep up on all the comments. And it's just a great app to use if you're going to be posting YouTube videos. So that's it. That's really it. I shoot all of the videos on this channel, at least so far, on my phone. I edited them on my phone and I uploaded them on my phone, and now I track their analytics on my phone as well. So this just, it's 2019 right now, almost 2020. You can do pretty much everything from your phone. So I'll leave links down below to those apps. And if you got any questions, let me know. Of course, drop them down below. Subscribe if you want to learn more about how to grow your YouTube channel fast and also make money with it. Check this formula out right here. This is called the full funnel formula. And this is going to show you how to take the traffic from YouTube and drive it to your sales funnel. If you're interested in learning that, click the first link down in the description. It's going to take you to a page where you enter your first name and your email. And then I'll shoot you over that video and you'll learn exactly how I do what I do. And you're going to want to see that one because it's a good one. I'll talk to you in the next video. Thank you so much.